how we opening today's vlog. Hey guys, how are you? Hope everybody's doing well. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you would have seen me prepare for today. So I was out and about trying to get, you know, some last minute stuff to set up the table, making the products, all of that stuff. So we are on the way. We have Caribbean Radio HD in the building, and we have One True Natural in the building. One True Natural and Caribbean Radio and Yardie TV link up. Him a two person. Him have split personality. Caribbean and Yardie. But yeah, guys, I'm super duper excited. Not because we're doing the table, we're doing the vending, we're doing you know, the promotional event, but I am a fan of a couple people on the show. Well, so I'm gonna enjoy myself.
Should I get off, babes? You think I should get off and go up on the I-95? Because this slowdown, it's gonna be tricky.
Guys, soon come. We'll figure this out. At the event, I just showed you guys the table, and it's going good so far. Everybody's showing a lot of interest in the brand. I made a boo-boo, forget to bring my business card. I can't believe it. The most important thing, I forgot to bring my business card. But hi, fun.
Because doctors have a tendency to wait in the waiting room till you're tired. And then they rush you through. The visa is a conspiracy. You understand? They tell you to come down here to your 9 o'clock appointment. Because you want to get through, you go down there from 8:35. And ladies and gentlemen, you know, get through till 11:15. And then the more you take off and just put something in your ears, and the first thing that cannot touch you nowadays from COVID, they might ask you how you feel. Me could cure myself. So, Reverend Sendtohope, is your age hurting you? Yes, doctor. Reverend Sendtohope, how you feel? Touch your belly. It feels stiff. Listen, no. I'm a surgery doctor. I take out the whole of my clothes. You have to go check everywhere in your foot. Get me a bend over. Me a
It's after 2 a.m. and we're just back home. It has been an amazing night. It's been an amazing day. It's been a successful event. Yeah, let me say that. Both on the business side and on the performance stage, everything was perfect. So we had an awesome time, and super duper tired. It has been, like I said, night after night, early mornings, waking up, trying to get prepared for this, and it paid off. And just want to say thank you to everyone who came out, everybody who supported One True Natural. Oh my God, guys, if you could have seen Yardie TV's comedic performance, it was out of this world. I've never seen him perform the way he did tonight, and I was super proud to be the wife of a legend. No, but on the real though, he really did an outstanding job, and had everybody eating out of his palms. Everybody was locked into his performance. Everybody was rolling, laughing. Everybody, So, yeah, I mean, it was an amazing time. All the performers, everything was just perfect. But, I just want to thank those who came out and supported our brand. You purchased an item and all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much. And, yeah. So that's it for today. We're gonna close out the vlog right now. Try to get some rest. I have to be up early in the morning because I have a client. So until next time, guys, stay tuned. And yeah, it's Vlogmas day 2, and we're gonna keep it going. Bless you, and again, Merry Christmas.